Hello, FactFox explorers! Today's top news is all about India's biggest planning day of the year. On 1st February, the government of India presented the Union Budget, which decides how the country will earn, save, and spend money in the coming year. Let's break it down. What is budget? Think of the budget as a giant family planner for the whole country, a money map that shows where India will invest and grow. It talks about education, health, transport, technology, sports, and the future of children across India. Imagine you get pocket money every month. You decide what to spend on candies, toys, or save for something cool. That's budget planning for you. The government does the same thing, but for schools, hospitals, and roads, just with millions or even trillions of rupees. Who presented the budget? The Finance Minister of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, presented the Union Budget in Parliament. During the budget speech, the Finance Minister explained how money will be spent wisely, which areas need improvement, and how India plans to grow stronger in the next year. Members of Parliament, experts, and millions of citizens watched this important announcement closely. The Bahi Khata, old versus new. For a long time, the Indian finance ministers carried a big briefcase. But in 2019, India's current finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, decided to make it more special. Instead of the briefcase, she carries a Bahi Khata, a red book, like an old-school ledger. Now, the budget is presented on a tablet inside the same red pouch. Tradition meets tech. How cool is that? The sweets start Halwa Ceremony. Before Budget Day, a special tradition called the Halwa Ceremony is held. Halwa is prepared and shared with officials who work day and night on the budget. This ceremony means the budget work is complete. A thank you to the hard-working team, and a sweet beginning before the big announcement. After this, officials stay inside their offices called lock-in period, so that budget details stay secret until 1st February. As per established tradition, the finance minister also meets the president at the Rashtrapati Bhavan to seek assent before heading to Parliament. The president offers the finance minister a customary serving of curd and sugar, a gesture believed to bring good luck. Top announcements. Here are some cool things announced in the Union Budget presented on 1st February. 7 new high-speed rail corridors connecting big cities. 15,000 schools to get content creation and animation labs for kids to learn animation, games, visual effects, and comics. Boosts in science and space, traditional medicines, Kilo India sports initiatives, clean energy, semiconductor technology, and manufacturing. Special funds and support for small businesses, and Yuva Shakti programs. That's the budget. Planning today for India's tomorrow. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering. See you next time on Fact Fox Weekly.